morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the sixth problem from a sixth lesson. Let's enjoy the class. A circular coil of radius 8 centimeter. Okay. Now the radius is 8 centimeter. Now convert the centimeter into meter. So 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So from that we can calculate the area of the area of circular coil. So it becomes pi r square. So what is the value of pi? 3.14 into radius 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So 3.14. 8 8s are 64 into minus 2 minus 2. It becomes minus 4. So this is the area. So unit of area becomes meter square. With 20 turns. Okay. So the number of turns is 20. Okay. Rotated about its vertical diameter with a angular speed of, okay. So angular speed, angular velocity or angular frequency are same. So 50 radian per second. Okay. So 50 radian per second. Okay. In a uniform horizontal magnetic field of magnitude. Okay. So the magnitude of magnetic field is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 Tesla. Okay. Obtain the maximum EMF. Okay. So what is the formula to calculate the maximum EMF? E naught equal to NBA omega. Okay. So what is N? Number of turns is 20 into B. What is the magnitude? 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 into area. So what is the area? 3.14 into 64 into 10 to the power minus 4 into omega. So what is the value of omega? 50. So into 50. So when you multiply and divide and finally you can get 0.603 is the maximum EMF. So the unit of EMF is volt. Okay. The next one, maximum and average EMF induced in the coil. If the coil forms a closed loop of a resistance 10 ohm. Okay. Now the resistance is 10 ohm. Resistance is 10 ohm. Calculate the maximum value of current. Maximum value of current. So we know that V equal to IR. Okay. Now we can modify. For instead of V, we can write the maximum EMF. Current is I. The R is same. So the multiplication R comes to this as division R. Then we can write I equal to E naught by R. Then E naught is the value of 0.603 divided by resistance is 10 ohm. So it can be taken as 0.0603 is the current. The unit of current is ampere. Okay. Here the average EMF. Okay. So how we can calculate the average EMF? Okay. The average EMF E equal to 1 by T of integral 0 to 2 pi E into dt. Okay. So 1 by T into 0 to 2 pi E, that is NBA omega sin omega t into dt. Okay. Now the NBA omega can be taken as constant. So it becomes NBA omega by t into 0 to 2 pi into sin omega t into dt. So when you integrate sin omega t, then it becomes cos omega t by omega. So NBA omega by t, then it becomes cos omega t by omega. So with the limit of 0 to t. Now the omega can be taken out. So omega and omega getting cancelled. So it becomes NBA by t. Now, upper limit minus lower limit. Then it becomes cos 2 pi minus cos 0. Okay. So, NBA by T. Cos 2 pi, 1. Cos 0, 1. So, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into something, 0. So, the average EMF is 0. Okay. Then what about the power loss? Okay. So, power loss equal to E naught, I naught by 2. So, now E naught. So, what is the value of E naught? 0.06 into I naught or the value 0.0603 divided by 2. So when you multiply and divide by 2, then you can get 0.018. So many watts. So this much of power is lost. Okay. Lastly, what does this power? Where does this power comes from? The power comes from the external rotor, which keeps the circular coil to keep rotating, and it gives a angular speed of 50 radian per second. Okay, do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubt.